my name is Nelson Cantrell. I'm shooting this video because I started using Tenant Products 2 years ago because I was struggling with recovery after exercise and doing physical activities. And that's why I started, and I've seen great improvements since using it. I highly recommend using Tenant's Restore. It's probably the best product on the market for recovery and as a protein powder as well. It does everything that you need for your recovery or just fueling your body. I trust Dr. Tennant's products because of the high quality ingredients and all the research that he's put into it through all his teachings. The number one benefit I've received from using his Restore product is probably going to be my recovery after working out and like post activity or even pre-activity. It gives you more recovery helps, but also just gives you more energy when you're going to do some kind of workout, any kind of activity. I knew Dr. Tennant's products were right for me when I visited his facility in Dallas, and he went through all of his teachings and learnings throughout his years of medical practice and saw directly the impact it's had on tons of different types of diseases and other people that have come through with different problems that were solved by his teachings. One of the biggest surprises I say using Dr. Tennant's products is that there's no added ingredients that aren't necessary to what the purpose of the product is. Like even when I use the Restore, you look at the ingredient list, there's no dyes, there's no preservatives, anything that's not necessarily to what the product's trying to do. I think it's a very straightforward product. There's no fluff to it. It's quick, and then there's no hard sell to it. It does what it needs to do, and there's no hard push for you to continue to use it. So very happy with the service from them. I would recommend Dr. Tennant's products because of how high quality the ingredients are, and there's no BS to what his products do.